Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a comparison of LibreWolf and Firefox to see if which one is better. So let's start with the LibreWolf. So it is an independent, privacy-focused fork for Firefox. So it is maintained by a community of developers, and it also removes telemetry, syncing, DRM, and other built-in features in favor of strong privacy defaults. So it includes hardened settings like DuckDuckGo as default search engine and uBlock Origin pre-installed. Let's go with the pros and cons. So for the pros is it strips out telemetry, syncing, Pocket, and all forms of data collection by default. So also it has enhanced privacy configurations, including strict anti-tracking, cookie deletion on exit, encrypted SNI, and fingerprinting resistance. It also has a minimalist and uncluttered interface, so there is fewer distractions in there. For the cons is it can break compatibility with some websites, especially those requiring DRM or other disabled features like Netflix. Also, updates may lag slightly behind Firefox due to community-based maintenance. And it also has smaller user community and less support infrastructure. Now let's move forward with the Firefox. So it is developed by Mozilla Foundation, and it is a featured open source browser known for its extensibility, strong usability, and balanced approach to privacy. It also supports a wide range of features for tabs, syncing, extensions, developer tools, and customization, while offering configurable privacy protection like enhanced tracking protection. For pros and cons is for pros is it has broad feature set and rich customization, extensions, themes, developer tools, and synced profile. It also has regular automated updates and a large official community and support network. It also has a balanced privacy, so enhanced tracking protection, container tabs, fingerprinting, and crypto mining protections like HTTPS only option plus tools like Firefox Monitor and Lockwise. For cons is telemetry and sponsored content like Pocket enabled by default can be disabled manually. So some partnerships or features may raise concern about data collection and privacy priorities rather. And then it also requires manual configuration to match LibreWolf's level of default privacy. Now for the final verdict is that you can choose LibreWolf if you prioritize uncompromised privacy and anonymity, and if you're comfortable dealing with occasional website compatibility issues and manual setup. So it's lean privacy hardened by default and perfect for privacy purists. Now you can also choose Firefox if you want a more mainstream browser with robust features, extension, flexibility, cross-device syncing, and predictable updates. And if you also want easier usability while still maintaining good privacy that you can tweak as needed. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this comparison helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!